Hello dear students. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The name of the chapter is Basic Geometrical Ideas. What we are going to learn in this chapter? The topics to be learned in this chapter are what is geometry? We will get basic idea about geometry. Then we will learn about points, line segments, lines, intersecting lines, parallel lines, ray and curves. Two types of curves, open curves and closed curves. We are also going to learn about polygons, sides of polygons, vertices and diagonals, angles, triangles, quadrilateral and circle. And the last topic to be learned is using these geometrical ideas in our day-to-day life. How we are using these geometrical ideas in our day-to-day life. So let us start our lesson. It will be very interesting for you. First, let us learn about geometry. What is geometry? Geometry has a long and rich history. The term geometry is the English equivalent of the Greek word geometrin. Geo means earth and metrin means measurement. According to historians, the geometrical ideas shaped up in ancient times, probably due to the need in art, architecture and measurement. Let us start learning about the basic geometrical ideas. The first topic is point. What is point? A point is usually represented by a small dot. If you want to give an example, tip of your pencil, tip of your ball pen. By a sharp tip of the pencil, mark a dot on the paper. Sharper the tip, thinner will be the dot. Here, three examples are given. The tip of a compass, the sharpened end of a pencil, and the pointed end of a needle. These are the example of point. After point, next point to remember, next topic to remember is line segment. A line segment corresponds to the shortest distance between 2 points. Here you have one diagram. The line segment joining points A and B is denoted by line segment AB. Here you can see line segment AB. And while we are writing the name of the line segment, if we want to represent the line segment, we can write like this, line segment AB. Here you can see one diagram. This is shortest join of point A and A to B, including A and B. Here you can see line segment AB. Note that the line segment can be measured. It has particular length. It can be measured because it has two endpoints. Next basic geometrical idea is line. You have learned about line segment. It has two endpoints and it can be measured because it has particular length. What is line? A line is obtained when a line segment like AB is extended on both the sides. It is denoted by line AB or sometimes by a single small letter like E. Next basic geometrical idea is line. You have learned about line segment. It has two endpoints and it can be measured because it has particular length. What is line? A line is obtained when a line segment like AB is extended on both the sides. It is denoted by line AB, or sometimes by a single small letter like E. Here you can see a diagram of line AB. We cannot measure the length of line because it is extended on both the sides, while line segment has two endpoints, so we can measure it. Here you can see figure of line AB. When we are representing line AB, we can write like this. After line, let us discuss about ray. A ray is a portion of line. It starts at one point called starting point and goes endlessly in a direction. Ray has one starting point and it goes endlessly in other direction. Here you can see diagram of ray AP. 2 points are shown on the ray. They are A, the starting point, and P, a point on the path of the way. We denote it by ray AP. Here we have ray AP, and if we want to represent it, we can represent it like this, ray AP. Here you can see some models for a ray. Beam of light from a lighthouse, ray of light from a torch, and sun rays. These are the examples of some models of a ray. So we learnt about point, line segment, line, and ray. Let us revise. Here, first topic is point. You can see the symbol of point. Then line segment, which has two endpoints. Ray, which has one starting point and it goes endlessly in other direction. And line, which has one dimension and it has no endpoints. It can be extended in both the directions. Next topic is intersecting lines. Two distinct lines meeting at a point are called intersecting lines. Two lines meeting at one point are called intersecting lines. Here you have two lines, L1 and L2. Line L1 and line L2. They intersect each other at one point. What is the name of that point? Point P. Both the lines pass through point P. So we can say that line L1 and line L2 intersect each other at point P. After this, next topic is parallel lines. Two lines in a plane are said to be parallel if they do not meet each other. They do not cross each other at any point. The real-time examples of parallel lines are railway track. Railway tracks कभी नहीं मिलते. Opposite angles, edges of ruler. These are the examples of parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines remains the same. कभी भी वो distance कम या ज़्यादा नहीं होता. The distance between parallel lines remains the same. Till now we have discussed about point, line segment, line, ray, intersecting line, and parallel lines. After learning about these basic geometrical ideas, let's solve exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Here one figure is given and we have to find out points, line, rays and line segments from the given figure. Let's find out 5 points from this figure. Very easy. 5 points are point D, point E, point O, point B and point C. These are the 5 points. Now find out a line. As you know, line is extended in both the direction. Consider any 2 points to make a line. Look, here we have line DE, then DO, then DB, next is line EO. You can also consider EB, line EB. Be careful whenever you are writing a line, be careful in the symbol. Next is 4 rays. As you all know, ray has one starting point and it goes endlessly in other direction. So consider one point as its starting point and go in one direction. Look, here we have one ray. D is the starting point and DB. Then next is DE. Then you can consider OB, OE. Any 2 points, take any 2 points, and EB. These are the 5 rays. Next, find out 5 line segment. Very easy. Consider 2 points as line segment has 2 endpoints. So line segment DE, line segment DO, line segment DB, line segment EO, line segment EB, then line segment OB. You can consider OB even. These are the line segments in the following figure. After solving question 1, let's solve question 2. Name the line given in all possible ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. There are 12 possible ways of naming the line from the given figure. Let's solve it. Before starting, remember the symbol for line. Consider any 2 points to name a line. Look, we have line AB, then line AC and line AD. We got 3 names of line AB, line AC and line AD. Now take second point, B. Look, line BC, then line BD and line BA. Which point we will choose now? First, C. So line CD and line CA. Consider first point D and then find out the rest of the three names. Now let's solve question 3. Here one figure is given and we have to find out line and intersecting lines. Number A, line containing point E. Where is point E? Here. Many answers are there. We will consider only one. Line AE. Which are the other lines containing point E? Look, FE, then line DE, then line BE. Many answers are possible. Next is line passing through A, same as E, line AE. Other ways are also there, line BA, line DA, line EA. Many answers are possible in this question. Next is line on which O lies. There is only one line. Line CO or OC. Both are same, CO or OC. Two pairs of intersecting lines. The lines which intersect each other, cross each other. Pair 1 is line AE and line CO. These two lines intersect each other. And another pair is line AE and line EF or FE. These are the two pairs of intersecting lines. Next question, question 4 is, how many lines can pass through one given point? Infinite number of lines can pass through one given point. Look, here figure is given. If you draw a point, one point, find out how many lines can be drawn. 1, 2. जब तक मैं ड्रॉ करती रहूँगी उतनी लाइन्स पॉसिबल होगी passing from that point. So infinite number of lines. Next is, how many lines can pass through two given points? If I draw two given points, only one line can pass from two given points. In this way, whenever you are solving questions in geometry, observe the figure carefully and use your knowledge as well as your logic power, and easily you will be able to find out the answer. Question 5 you have to solve. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. Point P lies on line segment AB. Draw line segment AB and then put point P on line segment AB. In this way, second is line XY and line PQ intersect at M. Look, line XY and line PQ intersect at point M. So middle point will be M. My dear students, use scale to draw the figures. The figures must be perfect. In this way you can solve all the exercises of all the questions. In this way you can solve all the questions from exercise 4.1.